So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new review for you. Today I'll be reviewing web agency Fortune. It is releasing tomorrow, the 23rd of September. It is a stunning agency website creating software. As you can see, get 12 amazing and stunning agency websites for one low price. It is actually releasing tomorrow. So you get access to all the incredible website packages for agency, local and video marketers. It is available for any niche that you want. It is not a niche specific software for dentists, lawyers, contractors. If you're looking to create your own website but you don't have any experience, web agency Fortune is the thing for you. You don't need to have any experience as such, but it is so easy, so beginner friendly that you'll easily learn it. As you can see, it is 100% WordPress based. Edit anything, install and minutes and sell right away. It is really easy. WordPress based. WordPress is one of the site where you can create your website. It is based on WordPress, where you don't need any coding knowledge. It is really simple. You can edit anything and you can host the website really easily, and you can sell your services from there. They have stunning design, incredible attention to details, and many live demos to show you. So here you can see they are launching tomorrow, and tomorrow they have a full live demo and an early bird special where there's a webinar that's happening on the 23rd at 10 a.m. ET. So as you can see, you can sell each website immediately. It has stunning designs, most popular niches, 100% WordPress based, mobile friendly, optimized for maximum conversions. If you're looking to sell your services, you want to create your own website that gets you maximum traffic, maximum conversions, web agency Fortune is the thing for you. As you can see, the benefits: 100% WordPress based, easy and quick to install, 100% customizable, sales video included with US and UK professional voiceovers, attorneys, dentists, contractors, tree maintenance. As you can see, it is valid for almost any niche that you can think of. 11 stunning business websites for most popular niches plus incredible agency website. Sell each website immediately to generate revenue for your business. Perfect for agencies, local and video marketers. All you have to do is just go to this link. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. You can join the training and you'll get an early bird offer as well. So here are the live demo for each. I have opened some of them. I'll show you. Like, I have opened this dentist one. As you can see, this site was made with webagencyfortune.com. As you can see, it does not look like some designed by somebody who's very advanced in coding. If you don't have any experience also, you can still design a good website like this, which is catchy and which will definitely get you many conversions. Similarly, a tree service website, as you can see, again it looks very complicated, if you think about it, to code, but it is definitely not coded. As you can see, it is designed by webagencyfortune.com. Easy to design, easy to customize, and really easy to sell, and definitely will get you conversions. There are many more examples like these. So you can get the early bird access and see all the upgrades on this call, which is happening tomorrow, the webinar on 23rd. All you have to do is just register for it and you'll get an early bird special offer also. The training that they'll give is free, and you'll be the first to see and access the whole package, and commercial rights will be included if you sign in. All you have to do is just join the workshop for full demo and an early bird offer, and it is designed by Mario Brown. So I'll leave a link to this site in the description box below, and if you join this, send a screenshot of this on my Instagram and I will give you free bonuses from my side. Apart from the early bird special and the full demo, I'll give you a free extra bonus from my side. So that is it for web agency Fortune, guys. Thank you.